Hi, I'm Sue White, the Senior Educational Specialist at Widgit Software. Before coming to work at Widgit, I was a mainstream primary school teacher, a mainstream primary SENCO, and an SEND advisor with a local authority team. I've actually been using widget symbols and software since the early 1990s, so throughout my teaching career. Widgit has over 20,000 symbols, underpinned by a structured educational and language framework. And we help thousands of teachers and SENCOs to easily create engaging symbolised resources that help children to improve their literacy, language and communication skills, to develop appropriate behaviours so they can engage positively in the classroom, and to reduce anxiety and increase independence throughout the school environment. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a target sheet to encourage appropriate behaviours in a student. From the Widgit Online examples folder, I'm going to select SEN support in school and the target sheet. Now this one is pre-populated. If I wanted to start from scratch, I could choose a blank template from Create a Grid. But we'll use the pre-populated one, so just selecting that. And here it is. So currently the target is good sitting, and this has been achieved or otherwise throughout the week. So firstly, I'm going to delete these entrants to these cells. So let's select the cell and then delete on the keyboard. And then I'm going to duplicate that so that I've got a blank one. As well as the actual target that you have there, you also have some motivators and rewards that can be cut out and filled in. And these can be changed too in the same way, just delete. So let's fill this one in. So we'll delete the good sitting target and instead we will have good listening. So I shall just type in listening. And then my symbol choices will appear on the right hand side and I can choose the most appropriate one. So we can have this one. Let's go for another target. So delete that one and we'll fill in there's no hitting this time. And again, we look to find out what the best symbol is. What Widgit Online is doing here is it's picking up the first symbol within the sentence, but all the symbols within that phrase or sentence are provided. You just need to select the one that you want. Maybe when another one, we could duplicate again. Let's get rid of that one and delete again. And this one, let's have use my quiet voice. Use quiet voice. And again, we can find out which of the symbols best suits that. So perhaps this one would be the one that we wanted. And we can put this one in. This can then be saved and printed and cut out. And as I say, the motivators can be used to indicate success or failure. If you'd like to find out more about widget symbols and software, please sign up for one of our virtual webinars or take out a free Widgit Online trial.